Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check the status of your YouTube channel step by step. You will learn how to check your account status or your YouTube channel status. Whether you want to see if your channel has any copyright strikes, community guideline strikes, warnings, monetization issues or future restrictions, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know. Whether you're a new or experienced YouTube creator, checking your channel or account status regularly helps you to stay compliant with YouTube's policy and keep your account in good standing. So in this video, you learn how to check your YouTube channel status, how to view copyright strikes and warning, how to check community guideline strikes, how to see feature eligibility and restrictions, what to do if your channel has a warning or strike. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open up your YouTube Studio app. So if you don't have the YouTube Studio app, just go over to your Play Store or your App Store. You'll be able to download the YouTube Studio app, or you can go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving a link right there, a video link. Tap on the link, they'll be able to watch and learn how you can download and install the YouTube Studio app. So let me tap on it to open it right away. So once your YouTube Studio app opens up, what you have to do first of all is to make sure you're logged in into the Google account that is linked to your YouTube channel. So once you've done that, then the next step you have to take is to tap on your profile icon. You can see it right there at the top right corner. So let me tap on it right away. Then the next step you have to take is to tap on where you can see account status. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Under the account status, you can see we have two categories. The first one is channel violations, which has to do if you have any community guideline strike or any of that. So what you have to do is to tap on the drop down icon to check it. So let me tap on the drop down icon right away. You can see guys right here it says copyright strikes none. That means I have no copyright strike. The second one right there is community guidelines strike. You can see it's also none. You can see under the channel violations, I have no strike, I've not violated any. That's why both of them are none. But if you have violated any community guideline, if you have any copyright strikes or any community guideline strikes, you're going to find it right here. And that's the reason you can see that green tick. Let me tap on it. Icon again. You can see that green tick right there. That green tick signifies that my channel has no channel violation. Then let's go over to the ability to earn. This has to do if you have any monetization issue. If you have any YPP monetization issue, you're going to find it right there. So let me tap on the drop down icon. Before I tap on the drop down icon, you can see that green tick. That green tick signifies that I've not actually have any violation, I've not have any strike, I don't have any monetization issue. But let me tap on the drop down icon so you can see what it looks like. You can see it right here. We have two categories under the ability to earn. The first one is YouTube partner program. You can see I'm under the YouTube partner program and it is ticked green. Then the next one is AdSense account. The AdSense account is also ticked green. That means my AdSense account is in good shape. My AdSense account has no issue at all. But if you're having any issue with ability to earn, if you're having any YPP issue, you're going to find it right here. If your AdSense is having any issue also, you're going to find this right here. And you're also going to see the reason for those issues that you're having with your YouTube monetization. And also if you have not been able to monetize your channel, you can check your channel eligibility right here also. This channel is actually monetized. That's why you can see the YouTube partner program and the AdSense account. But if your channel is not monetized, what you're most likely going to see is check eligibility. That means check if you're eligible for monetization yet. So guys, this is how you can be able to check your YouTube channel status. This is how you can be able to check your YouTube account status. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.